Have you ever wondered how leading e-commerce brands manage to ship thousands of orders every single day without sending you the wrong order? Well, it doesn't happen because they have a superhuman warehouse team. It happens because the brand relies on systems instead of manual processes or spreadsheets. Well, a warehouse management system brings all your warehouse operations onto a single platform. So every order follows the right process from the moment it's received until it is dispatched. From barcode-based inventory tracking, guided picking and packing, quality checks, courier allocations, and real-time inventory sync, every step is designed to reduce errors, speed up your fulfillment, and make sure your warehouse operations run smoothly. That's exactly what Unicommerce helps businesses do: manage their inventory accurately, streamline all their warehouse operations, and help them fulfill orders faster across all their sales channels. To know how you can run your warehouse efficiently, read the blog.